Good morning. My name is Rashmi from Christo Jayanti Deemed to be University. Today we will discuss in Python how do we identify the outliers. Outlier is nothing but are the data values that is not in the limited range. So the problem with the outlier is if the outlier is present in the data set, that will badly affect the performance of the model. So for these are the two options. One is by using the set score method. So outliers are the data points that deviate significantly from the major data values in the data set. So one is by using the set score. To how to identify the set score value by using the formula x minus mu divided by sigma. So x is the value, that is nothing but the features of the data set. Mu is the mean and sigma is the standard deviation. And when we calculate the z-score value, if the z-score value is greater than 3, then we understands that it is an outlier. Now, by using the Python code, how do we find out? We are using the numpy and scipy. These are the NP is the instance of numpy and stats is the instance of scipy. Calculating the z-score by using the function set score, and for that particular feature, that is that particular column, we identify the set score value, and if it is greater than 3, then it will be calculated as the outlier. So set score greater than 3 will be considered as the true or the false value, that is the Boolean value. So that Boolean result will be stored in the outlier. The next method is the IQR, interquartile range method. So in this, we are dividing the data set into four quartile, Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. So for that, we need to find out Q1 and also Q3. And after that, we need to find out IQR value by Q3 minus Q1. Now let's find out how to find out the lower bound. Lower bound is calculated by Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR, and upper bound is calculated by Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So the values that is less than this lower bound will be calculated as outlier, like that. The values, the data points that is beyond Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR will be treated as the outlier. So we are removing the values beyond lower bound and beyond upper bound. So these are the two methods of calculating IQR. So this is the interquartile range calculation. We are finding Q2 and identifying the lower half and also the upper half. This is another diagram to represent calculating the, see, this is Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR, and this is Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR. So here you can see there are two data points that is beyond this. So that is treated as outlier, like that. There are two data points which is less than Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR. So that is also treated as outlier. So it is used in finance, healthcare, and quality control to detect outliers, data points that fall outside the range, as I explained before. Q1 minus 1.5 into IQR and Q3 plus 1.5 into IQR are considered as outlier. Thank you.